6 p.m. Wow, look at that.
Who is it?
Look at that.
Jeff Petrowski. Wow. Dude, you need to get some pictures.
Yeah, I'm recording this.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
Oh, that's road
Look at that. Look at that.
That's juicy. I am so glad you.
Yeah.
There's a crowd leaving it go. Oh, it is turning. If it's gonna produce, yeah, well.
Oh, that looks like a ghost train or something. RFD kicking up rocks in my car. No, thank you. Yeah.
It's mostly like Chaser's Lane.
Yeah, it is Chaser's Lane. Some county road. Yep. Oh. Probably want to see it.
Oh, your feet. Wait.
Alright, I'm gonna keep driving. Yeah, I'm holding my camera instead. Yeah, I'm gonna send the picture as soon as I can, but I want to chase it. Jeez! Just getting more. Oh! I hit a power line. I'm okay. It's okay. Oh, I think it's torque confirmed now. Oh, another power line. But I missed it. I missed it. It's good. Yeah, I think it's my guess is that is PDS or something. Well, oh my god, another power line hanging. I don't know if it's actually down, but good. Another one. Ah, all these down power lines.